The green jersey, or maillot vert, is awarded to the leader of the points classification, which is a competition in the Tour de France that started in 1953. Points for this jersey are given for high finishes in a stage and for winning intermediate sprints, and although the formula for higher points are awarded based on the level given to different stages of the race can change over the years, historically more points have been available for the flat stages that tend to favour the fast finishing sprinters. It is for this reason that the leader and ultimate winner of the points classification, and thus the wearer of the green jersey, is generally accepted to be the race's best sprinter. This title has fallen in recent times to Slovakian rider Peter Sagan, who has won the green jersey for the past 4 tours and is fast closing in on the all-time most awarded rider Erik Zabel of Germany.